Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Visual Studio Code, so open the integrated terminal with Control+ and confirm the active Python interpreter at the bottom right. Once done, check pip by running pip version or Python m pip version so you know the current state. This matters because VS Code can use a different interpreter than your system one. Make sure the interpreter matches the environment you plan to upgrade. Now that you've identified the interpreter and pip, you're ready to upgrade in the same terminal context. You now run the upgrade command in your active terminal, Python m pip install upgrade pip. This uses the selected interpreter and avoids calling the wrong pip. If you work in a virtual environment, activate it first so the upgrade targets that env. If the OS blocks you, add user to install in your account, or reopen the terminal as administrator on Windows, or use sudo on Mac OS/Linux. Make sure the command finishes without errors before proceeding to verification. You complete the process by verifying the upgrade. Run Python m pip version and pip version to ensure both report the new version and the same installation path. Once verified, reload VS Code or restart the terminal so the editor recognizes the updated pip. If you see permission errors or pip not found, run Python m ensure pip to bootstrap pip or add the Python scripts folder to path. Alternatively, retry with user or run the terminal as admin to resolve permission issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.